Hello beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be cooking native jollof pasta and let's dive right into it. And here is my pot. I added water, salt, allowed it to boil, and I'm going in with my pasta or spaghetti. Okay, so I'm going to be cooking this till a bit soft. I'm adding in my eggs and the eggs are washed already. Okay, so I'll cook it till a bit soft and this is how I want it. I still have some water left with it and I'm gonna be using this water while we are cooking. So we'll set this aside. And in my pan, I'm adding in my palm oil. And I'll allow the palm oil to heat up a bit. I'll be adding in my chopped onion. And look at how this oil is bubbling. Okay, so I'll give this a quick stir. And I'll go in with my tomato sauce. I have this leftover tomato sauce, so I decided to use it. So feel free to use fresh tomatoes. Okay. So this is my bell pepper and habanero pepper roughly blended. So we'll cook this a bit, give it a stir and cook it for a few minutes. And after a few minutes, I'll come in with my chicken spice, crayfish, curry powder, and I have this jollof spice. Okay, so I'll be adding it in, which is this now. I'll give this a quick stir. So we'll combine everything together. We are building up flavor from here. We are building up flavor. Okay, so next I'll go in with my stockfish. Whatever you have at this point, you can add either dry fish, prawns, you can go ahead to add them. So I tested it and I needed to add some salt, so I added some salt to it. Okay, these are my boiled eggs, the one I boiled earlier. So if you have any other protein, please feel free to add them at this very point. Please, if you have watched till this time, I really appreciate. Thank you for always coming back to watch me, and if you are new here, you are welcome. Okay, so I'll be adding in my boiled spaghetti that we boiled earlier, and I'm gonna give this a quick stir. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking them for granted. Thank you for sharing me out. Thank you for all your support. Okay, this pasta was really tasty. I saw this pasta somewhere and I needed to try it out, and by the time I tried it, it came out so well, so I decided to bring it to the platform. My recipes are proven before bringing it. Okay, so this is the leftover pasta water that I had, so I'm adding it to it. I'm adding it some scent leaf. Okay, this scent leaf made it the native that we said. This is how it's looking now. It came out so well, tasty and mouth watering. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.